Pamukkale, known as the Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a natural wonder that seems almost too surreal to be real. Located in the southwestern part of Turkey, near the town of Denizli, it is a true testament to the marvels of nature's design. The geographical positioning of Pamukkale in the Menderes River Valley has created an awe-inspiring landscape where warm, mineral-rich thermal waters cascade down white travertine terraces, forming stunning pools that have earned it the nickname Cotton Castle. The striking white color of the terraces comes from the deposits of calcium carbonate, which have built up over thousands of years, creating a stunningly pure cotton-like appearance. As visitors walk through these formations, the thermal waters, rich in minerals, provide a soothing and rejuvenating experience, further enhancing the natural beauty of the area. Pamukkale's historical significance goes far beyond its striking beauty. It has been a site of healing and spiritual importance for millennia. In antiquity, the nearby Hierapolis city, founded by the Phrygians and later flourishing under Roman rule, was known for its thermal baths and was regarded as a spa destination for its therapeutic waters. The ancient city, perched atop the terraces, still holds ruins of Roman baths, temples, and an impressive theater, offering a glimpse into the lives of those who once sought the health benefits of the hot springs. Architectural marvels of Pamukkale, aside from the natural terraces, include the ruins of Hierapolis. The Theater of Hierapolis is an exceptional example of Roman architecture, with its ornate stonework and grand stage that once hosted dramatic performances. The Temple of Apollo and the ancient necropolis further contribute to the allure of this sacred site. The sacred pool, also known as the Cleopatra Pool, is particularly noteworthy, where visitors can swim among ancient Roman columns that have fallen into the water over time. These structures, combined with the natural wonders, create a sense of timelessness, where history and nature intertwine beautifully. Thermal waters are not just a modern-day attraction. They have been used by locals for centuries for bathing, healing, and relaxation. Visitors today still soak in the healing waters, following in the footsteps of those from ancient civilizations. The entire site is part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site, adding to its global significance. In essence, Pamukkale is not only a natural wonder, but a place that tells a story of healing, history, and culture. Its stunning terraces, rich in mineral deposits, continue to draw awe and admiration from around the world, offering visitors a chance to step into a realm where time seems to stand still, and the beauty of nature and history meld into one unforgettable experience.